What's on the agenda today? We are going to scrap out this older HP Pavilion monitor. I already cut the power cable off, so now we're going to turn this sucker around. Let's get her unscrewed. Sometimes it's a little bit hard to get in here. 1, 2, 3. All right, now we're going to pull this sucker out. Maybe. Missing one. Nope. There we go. All right. Now let's see what we have here. So when you're doing this, you don't want to bust this open because there is chemicals inside it. But as you see, there's a good amount of copper, good circuit board. Also a good amount of copper on that circuit board too. So first thing we're going to do, cut this. This right here is a degaussing cable. I'll cut this. Look at that. That's a good amount of copper right there. Put that right there. Cut that off. That over there. Cut. Cut. Pull this down. Like that sucker stuck at. Right there. Now, everything gonna come right out. It should. That over there. Pull that off. All right, now that's just a little circuit board right there, if you can see. Flip this over. Pull this out. Cut that. Cut that right there. So now look, on this circuit board, what I do, I cut off all the wires. I pull this off. These right here have little bits of copper in them, little copper spool. This has copper in it. I leave that on there. Cut this wire like so. So, cut. That's a little tiny piece, but oh well. Oh, there was no copper in that one. I was wrong. There's copper in here though. That off. Pull that off. And that's as far as I'll break this down. These really not worth my time. I'll get 15 cents a pound for this. All right. Now let's take this sucker apart. That off. Like I say, you want to make sure you don't break this glass because there is, I'm not sure what it's called, but it's no good for you. This screw out right here. Get this sucker out. So inside here, there's a nice little copper bell. Got another little circuit board with some good copper on it. All right, and now that's as far as I break her down. And then this right here, I'll just throw in the garbage. And if you did want to break this, there is a little piece of metal on the inside of it, but I don't even bother with that. It's over here. Right now, then I'll show you guys how I deal with this. There's a little clip on it, it'll come right off. Bash it. Bash that. Cut it off of here. Pull that off. One end done. That another. Garbage. Garbage, garbage. That off. There. Another piece done. Sometimes it doesn't want to come off, so you just hit it. There you go, look at that. And voila, look at that. Throw this in the number 2 bin. A little more, yeah, less down. Smash it, pull it apart, cut it. Cut it, got some more number 2. Probably easier if that was closer to me. All right, got these right here. Bash it. I try to do this as quickly as possible. Time is money. That out. That right there is going to go into my circuit board bucket. This right here, I'm going to put in my circuit board bucket just like that. So these right here, circuit board bucket. Got this little piece right here. Hit it. Doesn't want to come out. Hit it again. Oh, still don't want to come out, huh? Well, you will. Number 2. That one's ready to go. Number 2. Clean up these wires a bit. The Gaussian cable will actually go in my for later pile. This will actually go in my for later pile because I'll strip that out. As you see, I got a bunch I got to get to. Once this is done. So I save all the little wires. Eventually, they add up. Some more Gaussian cable. So that can go over there for later. Piece of circuit board. Doesn't weigh anything, but oh, it's been windy. So my wire bucket fell over. Got some leaves in it. All right, well, I appreciate it. Thank you for watching. It's pretty quick to disassemble one of these old monitors. It doesn't take long at all. And we are done. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it.